This is Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View. Today we're going to be walking through this new arrival of a 2025 Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. Looking at the profile of this boat, really beautiful lines. It's got that awesome platinum gel coat hull color, stainless steel logo, and this boat is going to be powered by twin 300 V8 Mercury Verados. Stepping up on board, nice big boarding ladder there, and stepping into the cockpit. Tons of space in the back here for fishing and entertaining. Nice large bench seat in the back that does fold down to turn into a large casting platform. Live well on your port side, and a great feature on the 28 Dauntless is going to be your drop down swim platform slash dive door. So whether you're just jumping in the water having fun or bringing in the big catch of the day, really nice option to have. On this lean post, you're going to have tackle storage, as well as really cool feature. This entire bench will fold backwards to make an entertaining space or a great option to watch lines if you're trolling. A really cool feature on the 28 Dauntless. Up at the helm, you're going to have your joystick controls, easy docking, a huge 16-inch Simrad display, have all of your charts and data, fish finder, everything you could use there. Glove box that's lockable, so if you want to leave some belongings on board while you're going to grab dinner, really nice feature to have there. Digital throttle and shift as well on both of those throttles. Also Simrad radio, lockable radio box overhead, a vent on this full windshield. So if you want a little air in, it's great to have, or if you're running offshore, really good protection with that full windshield. High and dry storage, and plenty of rocket launchers and rod holders throughout the boat. Head, really nice wide door, makes it easy to access and very deep. We have the covers in there now, but you can see it's a great space. You have the vacuum flush head there, as well as rod storage that will go through into the coffin box up front. JL audio all throughout the boat. Huge sun pad in the front here, coffin box. We call it the garage, also lockable, so if you want to leave rods or any other gear on board, tons and tons of space. And also best seat in the house for riding. This has a cover on it now, but it's the same upholstery you'll see underneath. Up in the front, you do have easy access, walk up all the way to the anchor locker, as well as these awesome loungers. There can be storage underneath each, as well as this option to pop up the backrest to make two more very comfortable lounging seats up front. Nice inlaid grab rail so everyone's safe underway, and some perfectly placed cup holders for both riding in the front. Standing on one more big storage compartment, so plenty of space for entertaining, plenty of space for storage. Great option for fishing, whether you're staying inshore or running off. The 28 Dauntless is a very capable option. So one more time, this is Mike Love at MarineMax Ocean View on the 2025 Boston Whaler 28 Dauntless. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, love to have you stop by the store. Thanks, and see you out on the water.